CBP phone searches explained. New rules, your rights and practical tips. Did you know US border agents can search your phone without a warrant? And in most cases without even needing suspicion? In fiscal year 2025, Customs and Border Protection searched the electronic devices of more than 55,000 travelers. That's still a tiny fraction of total travelers, but the number is rising and the rules just changed. Today I'm breaking down exactly what CBP Custom Border Patrol can and cannot do with your phone or laptop at the border, the difference between citizens and non-citizens, and practical steps you can take to protect your data. Disclaimer: quick but important note. This is general educational information based on current CBP policy and court rulings as of mid-2026. It is not legal advice. Laws and policies can change, and outcomes depend on your specific situation and location. If you're facing a real issue, speak with an immigration or privacy attorney. The legal foundation. At the U.S. border airports, land ports, and seaports, a special rule applies called the border search exception. Under this exception, CBP officers have broad authority to search travelers and their belongings, including electronic devices, without a warrant. Courts have repeatedly upheld this power because the government has a strong interest in controlling who and what enters the country. There are two main types of device searches. 1. Basic or manual search. An officer scrolls through your phone or laptop by hand. In most circuits, this requires no suspicion at all. 2. Advanced or forensic search. The device is connected to external equipment that extracts and analyzes data. This generally requires reasonable suspicion of a violation of law or, under the new rules, a national security concern plus supervisory approval. The new 2026 rules on January 1, 2026, CBP issued an updated directive. Directive 3340-049B. Key changes include: expanded list of devices that can be searched: smartphones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, SIM cards, vehicle infotainment systems, GPS units, and even drones. A clearer rules for advanced searches. Officers can now conduct certain advanced searches based on a national security concern alone, with extra supervisory approval and documentation. A updated guidance on how long devices can be detained and how information is retained. Information from a border search can be kept in CBP systems such as the automated targeting system for up to 15 years in many cases. CBP still emphasizes that device searches remain rare, less than 0.01% of travelers in FY 2025, but the authority is real and the policy has been modernized. Citizens versus immigrants/non-citizens. Your immigration status makes a big practical difference. U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents, green card holders, you cannot be denied entry into the United States solely because you refuse to unlock your device. CBP can still detain the device for further examination, sometimes for days. You generally have stronger Fourth Amendment arguments, though the border exception still applies. Non-citizens, visa holders, visa waiver travelers, asylum seekers, etc. refusing to unlock a device or provide a password can lead to denial of entry. Officers have greater practical leverage. Non-citizens also face expanded biometric requirements, including facial recognition photography at entry and exit under rules that took effect in late 2025. In short, citizens and green card holders have more leverage to refuse. Most other travelers have less. What actually happens in practice? Most searches start as a basic manual review during secondary inspection. Officers may look at recent messages, photos, social media apps, emails, or travel history. If they decide an advanced search is needed, the device may be taken to a separate area or even off-site. You will usually receive a receipt. You are not required to provide cloud account passwords in most situations. CBP policy focuses on data present on the device at the time of the search. However, officers can still ask, and refusal can have consequences depending on your status. Practical tips. Here are realistic steps people use to reduce risk. 1. Know your status and calmly state it if asked. 2. Ask whether the search is basic or advanced and request a receipt if the device is taken. 3. Do not lie. Providing false information can create separate legal problems. 4. Document everything afterward if you feel your rights were violated. None of these steps make a search illegal, they simply reduce what officers can access and create a clearer record. Border phone searches are legal under current U.S. law. The rules were updated in 2026, and your citizenship or immigration status significantly affects your options. If this video helped clarify the rules, drop a comment with any questions you still have, and subscribe for more straightforward explainers on law and everyday life. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and travel safe.